In a vote of 62 to 37, with the backing of a dozen Republican senators, the narrowly divided chamber voted Wednesday to advance a bill that protects the right to same-sex marriage.
The yeas are 62.
Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer.
But today, the Senate is taking a truly bold step forward in the march towards greater justice, greater equality, by advancing the Respect for Marriage Act. It will make our country a better, fairer place to live.
Supporters of same-sex marriage mobilized after Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas wrote that the court should reconsider the legality of same-sex marriage in a concurring opinion to the court's overturning abortion rights in June. Such a decision would affect over 500,000 married same-sex couples nationwide. But Wednesday saw a giant step forward in protecting those marriage rights. The Respect for Marriage Act is the result of months of negotiating by Republican and Democratic senators like Kyrsten Sinema.
The bipartisan support we've garnered in the Senate today proves this issue isn't a matter of one party being right or the other party being wrong. This issue is bigger than angry tweets and bombastic fundraising emails. This is about ensuring American families who share the ideals of all marriages, love, devotion, and sacrifice, can continue to count on the basic rights and responsibilities that come with their marriages.
If signed into law, the Senate bill would require the federal government to recognize any marriage that was legal in the state it was performed. However, it would not block states from banning same-sex marriages if the conservative-leaning Supreme Court allows them to do so. Republican Senator Thom Tillis, who also helped negotiate the bill, pointed out that religious liberty is still protected within it.
The bill also makes clear that no religious organization will be required to provide any services for the celebration of same-sex marriage. Put together, the Respect for Marriage Act essentially preserves the status quo we've had in our country for the last 7 years since the Supreme Court ruling.
A similar bill passed in the House in July with the support of 47 Republicans, along with all of the chamber's Democrats.
The bill is passed.
The bill will have to jump through several more procedural hoops in the Senate before going back to the House for final approval.